All right, so the last problem on the review, 22. Ella purchased a new car in the year 2000, and her car cost $27,600. The value of the car has been depreciating exponentially. That means that it's decreasing in value at a constant rate, so it's going down. If the value of the car was $8,300 in 2004, then what would be the predicted value of the car in 2009? So once again, we've got to set up an equation. So here's what I know. I know my car is depreciating in value. Well, we could set this up like we've seen a couple different ways to do these with the first few problems on the Go Formative, where you can either use a table or you can use a system of equations. I'm going to go ahead and go with a table on this one. So I'm going to call the year 2000 my zero value. Let me make sure that's obvious what that is there. 27,600. I don't know year 1, 2, or 3, but I do know that year 4 is 8,300, and I am trying to find year 9. So in between year 0 and 4, I had 3 values, and I know if I multiply by the same thing, I'm going to get, eventually I'll get to year 4. So I know that if I start at 27,600 and I multiply by b to the 4th power, I should get 8,300. So what I'll do is I'll take 8,300 and divide by 27,600, and you get b to the 4th equals, now it's 0.300724637. I'm just writing the whole thing out there. And then I either can raise that to the 1/4 power, or I can take the 4th root of it. You decide which one you like better on your calculator. And what I get is b is approximately 0.74, we'll say 1, because it's 0.7405. So now I can write an equation that'll model this, okay? My equation is going to be in the form of ab to the x power. I know what a is because that's my starting value, so that was 27,600, and I just figured out that b is approximately 0.741, so I've got an equation that I can use. Now the last thing I need to do is just plug in 9 for x so that I can actually evaluate. So I'd have y equals 27,600 times 0.741 raised to the 9th power. And we should get, times 27,600, we should get the answer that's on your paper, which is, let's see, $1,858.97. Now, the number on your paper says 37 cents. Depending on, what you took the square root of in this step, it may have changed your b value slightly, which could then throw off your calculation by a few cents. As long as you're in the vicinity of this number, as long as you're not getting like $2,500 or something like that, as long as you're within a few cents, then you should be good.